nowadays schools have these counseling sessions for choosing your careers. I'll just deal with why you should choose a chartered accountancy course. CA course, as you all know, deals with finance, with tax, with many other things these days. जब आप कोर्स चुनते हैं तो सबसे पहला फैक्टर आपके पेरेंट्स होते हैं कि उनकी क्या लाइकिंग्स है, बिकॉज यू ट्रस्ट योर पेरेंट्स एंड यू शुड दैट how do they perceive a profession. I would like to add certain points in it, that you should also go and meet certain chartered accountants from your circle and ask them some questions of what they chose, why they chose to become a chartered accountant, and try to find your liking in it. For example, you are very good at accounts, let's say. That is not the sole reason you should go for chartered accountancy, because there are about 7 to 8 other subjects that you'll have to be very good at. You can't be a chartered accountant liking only accounts or tax or direct tax or whatever. You will have to deal with 7 to 8 courses, subjects rather. Other thing is कि आप जब ये CA course कर रहे होंगे, it's a very long term course. It's not 2 years or 3 years and there is no surety. Entrance is easy. As you can see, about 25-30% is the result in foundation. But getting out or passing through all the 4 exams is lot tougher. Recently the result was 5%. So I would say that choose wisely, choose what you like, follow your passion, not just one course or your parent or your teacher. It's a whole 360-degree decision. So enter into that discussion node first, finalize your liking, and then go for this course, because it's a lot tougher when you enter. Thank you. I hope you like this.